Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make a curry stew. I have all my ingredients here. It's the same ingredients I use to make stew. The only difference is we have the curry to add on. We have 4 pounds of chicken. We have the green seasoning, 3 tablespoons of curry, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of ketchup, together with a habanero pepper. There are different ways to make curry stew, but this is the way I make it. Sometimes people add the curry in the chicken and then they stew the chicken and then they throw the curry in as well too. So I'm going to do it differently today. Again, Happy New Year 2021. I'm going to add the seasoning in. I have the green seasoning here. The green seasoning has bandania, garlic, onions, and chive. I put the ketchup in and the soy sauce. Mix it again. I'll also add the black pepper and the salt. You can also add more while you're cooking for taste. So that's it. Seasoning's already here. I'm gonna get the pot heated so I can start the process. I got the oil. Heated about 3 tablespoons of oil. And what I'm doing, this is the curry I'm using here. Some water in it. That should be enough. Make a nice little paste. I'm giving you step by step so you can try it at home. One of my friends asked me to do this episode. So, Farida, this is for you. Let it caramelize. I put a little extra oil, but you can use less oil if you want to. So it's starting to caramelize here now. So it's just again like how you do stew chicken. And then I have the curry in my hand, getting ready to throw it in. So I'm going to throw the curry in now with the water. Give it a patch. Oh, you can smell it already. And this is how I make my curry stew. I add the chicken in. I'm gonna turn. Also wash the bowl with the extra curry and put the water in. Gonna put the pepper in. I put half of the habanero pepper, it's hot. Nothing more than that. So this is gonna cook for about 20 minutes again, 25 minutes. And I'll come back in like again every 5 minutes and give it a turn. Okay, Let it cook down. Look how beautiful this color is. So you can smell the curry. Nice smell with the stew and the curry, sugar and the curry. You can also put a little bit of jeera if you want, but some people don't like the jeera in it. Been cooking for like about 7 minutes. I'll come again and check. Make sure you don't burn, stick to the pot. So after 10 minutes, see how the color start changing. Get it mix in there with the curry and the stew. Ten, 15 minutes and we are ready to eat. So after 25 minutes, it's done. I'll have some gravy in it so you can eat with rice, roti, salad, anything. This is what you want in the curry stew. Wonderful. Okay, it's time for the chef to try. So let's see. Some of the rice here with the sauce. As always, very tasty. So try this at home. Curry stew by Bobby's recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.